P2408S battery calibration adapter is a repair tool for battery calibration and test. Auto cycle is mainly used for battery data calibration. Replace the battery cell first, and then calibrate the battery data with the battery circulation board. The battery efficiency is now repaired. Performance test is mainly used to test battery efficiency. There are also the discharge test and charging test functions. Package includes Type-C data cable, compatible with 1113 series batteries. Intelligent cooling down, overheating protection, doesn't need manual adjustment. Exclusive app for battery calibration. Auto cycle, performance test, discharging test and charging test. The interface can be switched freely, and the battery data is clear to see. Instructions for auto cycle. Rotate the knob to switch the charging current, discharging current, end voltage and rest time settings. Press the knob. The parameter turns green, indicating that the current parameter has been selected. Rotate the knob and you can adjust parameters. The charging and discharging current can be customized to 0.532A. End voltage can be customized to 2.940V. The rest time can be customized to 03 hours. After adjustment, long press the knob. It redirects to the auto cycle interface. The charging state of auto cycle starts by default. The charging current is the one that be set in the auto cycle interface. When the battery is fully charged, it switches to the rest state. The rest time is the one that be set in the auto cycle interface. When the rest time is reached, the battery will switch to the discharging state. The discharge current is the one that be set in the auto cycle interface. When the discharge voltage reaches the set voltage, the system will switch to the rest state. When the rest time is reached, the system will automatically switch to the charging state. Detailed parameters can be viewed on the startup interface of auto cycle. The original and current value of battery life, max capacity, set capacity, and cycle counts are clearly visible. The state time at the bottom. Green indicates current status time, red indicates battery cycle time. Long press the knob to manually switch the battery status. In the discharging state, when the temperature is too high, the intelligent induction fan on the adapter will work automatically. When the temperature drops to the normal state, the fan will turn off automatically. The above are some data of the battery cycle when it's in processing. Users can customize and adjust the auto cycle data to the best state. The above is the data tested by AiXun Studio for your reference. If the battery needs to exit temporarily during the cycle process, press ESC to return. You can choose whether to save the current calibration status or not. You can select open the saved file or not. When entering the battery cycle interface next time, note: 1. The calibration status can only be saved in boot-up status. The saved status will lose after shutdown. 2. When a new state needs to be saved, the old one will be replaced. Performance test. The operation is the same as that of the auto cycle. Adjust test capacity, discharge current, end voltage and rest time. Start performance testing. Judge the battery efficiency by observing the time that the battery charging used to reach the test capacity, and the time that the discharging used to reach the end voltage. The shorter the time, the worse the battery efficiency. The longer the time, the better the battery efficiency. Discharging test. For battery discharging test, discharge current and time can be set. Long press to start discharging test. In the status time bar at the bottom, there is a target time countdown display. When the discharge time reaches the set time, it stops discharging. Charging test. For battery charging test, test capacity, charge current, and charge time can be set. Long press to start charging test. When it reaches one of the target values of test capacity and charge time, the charging will stop. You can find the charging time countdown in the status time bar at the bottom. That's all for the operation of the P2408S battery calibration adapter. More expanded adapters of P2408S are coming soon.